Hello, everybody. I don't know if you can even see me in this, but I thought, oh, we'll just record this today, and that would be really cool. So I'm going to try to go to another board right now and see if that works, and it does. Oh, my goodness. So what do we do? King Henry died drinking chocolate milk. And remember, in that sentence, we don't have the B for the base. So we've got to always remember the base. The first question is what we have 4 kilometers. And I like to do meters first just because it works better in my head. So if we have 4 kilometers, how many meters do we have? We know that there are 1,000 meters. 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. So what's 4 times, because we've got 4 kilometers, 4 times 1,000, we've got 4,000 meters in 4 kilometers. So let's see if we want to turn 4,000 meters into hectometers. What do we do? I love LL. It means larger. We go larger, up the ladder, left. We move the decimal point to the left. So if we have 4,000 meters and we start at the base because the meters is the base, 1 meter is the base. So we start at the base and we want to go to hectometers. So we're going to go 1 space, 2 spaces to the left on the decimal point. Now, we've got 4,000 meters. Where's the decimal point? At the end of the number. It's, we make it invisible just so we can write less. So it's always at that end of the number. Now we're going to move from the base to decameters and hectometers. So we're going to move this 2 spaces. What do we get? 40. We get 40 hectometers. Now, okay, what if we're just moving it 1 space because we're going from the base to decameters right here? So then we move this decimal point 1 space, and what do we have? 400. So you can see that 4 kilometers equals 40 hectometers, 400 decameters, and 4,000 meters. So see how it works? You're just basically adding a 0 onto each one, right? So what do you do when you go smaller? Remember, when we go smaller, we move it to the right. That's why I like the LL, because I always forget that. So left, larger. That way I know the only thing that's left is right, smaller, right? Again, remember, we're working with the base meters. You could have seconds, you could have liters, you could have grams, but we're working with meters as our base. So we got 4,000 meters, and now we're going to go smaller. So we're going to move the decimal point to the right. So here we go. We go 4000. And what do we do here? We add another 0 so we can put the decimal point there. So now we've got 40,000. Can you guess what the next one's going to be? Because remember, we went from the base to the right. So now we're going to go to centimeters. Guess what that is? You got it. You just add another 0 and check it out. Is that great or what? Because we moved it over 2 places. So we moved it over 1, 2, right? Okay, so the millimeters, we're going to move it from the base 1, 2, 3 spaces. So that means we start out with 4,000 and we go 1, 2, 3, and then put the decimal point. So now we have 4 million millimeters. And don't forget to add this base when you do King Henry died drinking chocolate milk. I really wish we could find some. You guys have the most wonderful brains. We got to come up with another sentence that's ours, other than King Henry died drinking chocolate milk. Anyway, I hope this works. We'll see you soon, I hope. And I hope this video will go up into the blog. I miss you guys.